Good morning, guys. We have another video coming. Welcome back. I have a ton of content, like I said. Right now I'm at my job, but I'm gonna show you guys what I'm doing today. So
Don't forget the torque converter bolts.
all right.
And there's a bracket that goes all the way around. You have to loosen that up.
Okay. All right. So this one is kind of different from the other one. I did.
No, it's not difficult. I'll get you money. It's like little small stuff. Because if you don't, you take the intercooler off.
Yeah.
There's a pipe that goes. Get a light.
They hate this light.
Yeah, I thought you said you were gonna buy a new one. All right, so look. You see?
Oh, those little cooling pipes across?
Yeah, that goes all the way across.
Oh yeah. The last one I did had that too.
Okay, all right. So the new tranny comes with a new one.
All right. I just never did one with an intercooler though, but I'm pretty sure I get it.
All right. Well, anyway, there's rubber hoses that go on this side. I usually just pop them off the tranny and leave the whole pipe there.
Okay.
But that's me. You could just take it all in one shot, but then you're gonna have to disconnect it from up here. You know what I mean? Like, just figure it out. But what I'm saying is, don't forget it.
All right.
Because there's times I pull the tranny out and the fucking thing is still all the way up there, and then you start twisting shit.
All right. I'll make sure.
All right.
Just double check everything before I pull it out. Make sure everything is loose. That's what I was saying, guys. This is what we have for today. So I'm gonna put you guys down and we're gonna get to working. I forgot my camera, so I'm gonna have to use my phone to record. So let's go. Lift arm is ready in, so let's go. Hey. That looks like Brian Baker or King. That looks like one of the older guys. Hey, bro, blocking my camera, bro. No, you're blocking my camera. I was like, what the fuck? I keep all my stuff. I keep all my stuff together. I just keep them together. I never like take stuff off. Like if I take off the undershield, I'll probably put the clips on there and leave it sitting somewhere. So that's what we're gonna probably do. Yeah, I'm not like you old. I'm not like you new school guys, man. I use the old light, man. This shit, you can't forget it on the car. The light back right there. I'll show you guys. If you guys look, we just have a series of clip on top right here that we have to remove. So once you remove this, and then you have some like 12mm screws up top. So we're gonna get those out right now. And then we should be back in good shape. And this thing gonna be completely dropped down. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take all the clips now. Alright? So what I do, I take everything and I'll keep them together. So let me show you guys. So all these clips. Once you drop that undershield down, that's what it looks like underneath. You're gonna have to drop the down pipe from right here, drop it down going all the way back, but most likely you wanna drop it from here. You wanna drop 2 bolts from there, disconnect them. I'll get a light, show you guys more. So you got 2 bolts right here you're gonna have to drop, get that out the way. After you move the exhaust, there's a little bracket right here as well. You have to remove, drop that down, right? Then you're gonna drop the drive shaft, of course. And then you're gonna have to disconnect the axles next. Then it's gonna be all fun stuff. So let's continue, guys. It's definitely a 14mm. So after you guys go ahead and drop the exhaust, we went ahead and dropped it. After you guys go ahead and drop it, the next step is to remove these plastics right here. Get these plastics out the way so you can take these brackets off. Get all these brackets off. This one, and that's it. And then you're gonna start disconnecting the drive shaft after that. So let's continue, guys. So this is a quick update. This is what we got so far, guys. We loosened this bracket that goes straight across. You can see I put the screws back in so I don't lose anything. And then the next step is going to be to drop the drive shaft down from right here, and then drop this bracket down, and then this is pulled straight out from the transmission. And then we could go ahead and disconnect the axles, and then we should be pretty close to pulling this transmission. The e-brake is not up, so I'm gonna have to hold the drive shaft to this one.
Underneath, I got lost inside my feet.
Alright, pretty much got all of them loose. And what I like to do with these bolts, so you're gonna have 4 of them, guys. And what I like to do with these bolts, I like to keep them right next to the drive shaft in the rear on the lift arm. So that's where I'm gonna put them right now. Zoom just a little bit. Right there. So that's what we're gonna do. That one. So I'm gonna kind of remove this lift arm right here. And go in here. And when I'm ready for them, I can find it. So that part of the drive shaft is pretty much loose already. So next we gotta get those 14 millimeters now. I need an extension. I don't think I need an extension for that, so I'm gonna just put that down. Now I'm gonna have to drop that bolt and pick it up after. Okay, this is coming down. It's heavy. There you go. Pulls right out. And I'm gonna just put the drive shaft right on this side of the probably gonna drip a little fluid, so make sure you get you some piggy mats or something on the floor. Let's get you see how it's dripping fluid. So move these bolts right back in so I don't lose them. That's what I like to do. Keep my bolts together, man. Thank you, my guy. Put this over here somewhere. Free the axle up. 32. We have a cotter pin down here we're going to also have to remove, right? Fucked up? No, I gotta fix my fuck up. Damn, mechanic problems. As we are finally through. Ah, man. Ooh. Now I'm disconnecting the axles. You want to pop it from this side right here. It comes out real easy. Probably gonna leak a little bit of fluid, so be prepared to catch that. There you go. Guys, if you guys look, there's the torque converter bolts right there that I had to remove. Yeah, my car is slow though, bro. So, you got that one. I'm gonna bring the GTI and I'm gonna race him, man. And that one's gonna be fair and square. Yeah. That's gonna be fair and square, bro. He's not gonna see me. He's gonna have a hard time catching up.
But that car is, that's the one from here, right?
Yeah, that one's slow.
Well, bone stock, right?
Yeah, bone stock. Just got a downpipe on it. It's not tuned or anything. I'm gonna have to climb up here like a menace. All right, so torque converter bolts is down there. I have to crack it loose so get a good grip on it. Torque converter moving. All right, make sure you kind of hold it too, if you guys could. There you go. Partially loose, so you could probably just turn it now. There you go. So now you could turn it. So now I'm gonna probably go ahead and unscrew it by hand if I could. Nah, I still gotta turn it some more. So a couple more turns. Come on, man. Couple more turns. Alright. That should be it to get it out, to be honest. And don't drop these bolts. Drop these bolts, you're gonna have a long day. Promise you.
I'm afraid I'm drowning underneath. I got
Let me know. Let me know when to stop. Let me know when you guys see a boat.
To breathe. Need you by my side. I can't sleep at night. Let's get lost in time. Leaving.
There goes another one. So I'm gonna counter hold the crank. Get my socket in there.
I am broken. Words unspoken.
Guys, I think we only have 4 torque converter bolts. That's it. I rotated it a couple of times and I don't see no more bolts. So let me make sure for sure though. There's no more bolts. That's not good.
Why is it not good?
I don't think my torque converter coming.
You can need a bigger price car.
Not no big deal if it don't come, right? Ah. Still 2 months. Fuck it. Don't come. Don't come. I know what's coming with me though. Oh, see that man? The fuck, man? Yeah. So you think set the G? All I'm gonna say, bro, before you come over here, watch your toes. The torque converter gonna drop out. The cooler ones.
I am broken. Words unspoken. I'm afraid I'm drowning underneath. I got lost inside my feelings. Now I can't seem to find my way to breathe. I am broken. Words unspoken. I'm afraid I'm drowning underneath.
So we completely got it out, guys. If you guys looking, this thing's making a huge mess. But we got it. And it was only 4 torque convertibles. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. We got the starter hanging. So some of these stuff we're gonna have to put up before we put the new one back. So yeah, that's it, guys. I'm gonna take a break right now and continue later.